In this video, I'd like to show you the unboxing of the Pro1 BIOPTRON therapy system. But before I do, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is William Bissett from the Brilin Functional Medicine Centre and BIOPTRON New Zealand. And we've been using BIOPTRON extensively since 2010. But not only do we use them in our clinics, we also sell BIOPTRON to both the medical industry and for home use. And we created workshops and training materials to how to better maximise the BIOPTRON potential. So let's unbox the Pro1, shall we? Now this kit comes with 8 lenses, but in this box here there are 7 lenses. Now we have designed and manufactured these high-grade labels and we put 3 on per lens. They are high-grade, heat resistance, and they've got better wear and tear than the average label. Now the reason we put 3 on each label is to help protect these little clips. Sometimes they break, and no matter where you put the lens back in the case, it's easily to distinguish what colour you need. Now some people say they tend to struggle to tell the difference between the indigo and the blue, especially if in a dark environment. So these labels, which are sold separately, make a world of difference. Now when you open the box, you should find a bottle of oxy spray, which is essentially a medical grade oxygen in water, which is ideal to help light absorb better into the skin, and it's also great to use as a natural disinfectant, particularly if you have a wound or a skin condition. You'll also find in the box power leads, covers, books and manuals, and also a little eye cover for babies. Now you notice that this Pro1 using this table stand offers much flexibility in terms of angles and positions. Plugging in couldn't be more simple. I thread it through the base to reduce the pressure on the plug. The Pro1 comes with this pull-out measuring bar, which I personally never use, but could be handy for some. The 8th lens is already in the BIOPTRON, and it's this new Fullerene Carbon 60 lens. Now remember, this label is ours and sold separately. Notice how easy the lens is to take out and put back in. Using the Pro1 could not be more simple. There's a minus and plus buttons to program how many minutes that you want, and also an on and off button. And that's it. Very simple, anybody can use the Pro1. The Pro1 also has an option for a floor stand, which I'll cover in another video. Now, if you have any questions or feedback, I'd love to hear them, and I'll put the links in below to our websites. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share.